Greetings from Säbyträsk Nudist Beach. It is time for another episode from this amazing nudist beach in Österåker municipality with a beautiful reflection of the lake. So the sun is back up and we have 24 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in the lake I just measured, it is 25 degrees Celsius. So 24 degrees on this 24th of July, and this is the second episode from this beach. I have been chilling here and enjoying the beautiful day. There is basically no wind, and you can see now even better the lake with all the sun currently. It's so beautiful, and I'm all alone here. It is simply magical as such. So let's take a swim in this lake in 25 degrees Celsius. It's very nice. Säbyträsk is located very close to Vaxholm, part of Österåker municipality. You can get here by public transport, by taking first the red line towards Tekniska högskolan or Danderyd sjukhus, where you can take the bus 670 that goes towards Vaxholm, and then get off at Polackstorp and walk around less than 1 kilometer from in the forest from the main road and get here, right here in this beautiful nudist beach. So this one is marked as a nudist beach on the Scandinavian tourist portal, but currently there is nobody here. It is empty, so it's not as popular as the other nudist beaches that I have visited. So yes, the beach is rocky and there is forests all around, and there are lots of fish in the lake I have seen, and there is even a sign that fishing is forbidden. Good thing I didn't come here for fishing. I just came here to show you the beach and take a swim as well. Just look at the reflection in the lake. It's beautiful. You can just chill on this rock and maybe even jump, but I don't know if it is that much deep right there. It might be some hinders inside the water as such. Look at the water. Look at this. It's so beautiful. The reflection is absolutely stunning with the clouds reflecting on the lake Säbyträsk. One bad thing is that the main road is very close and it's a very trafficked road here. So that is one minor thing. But other than that, it's quite beautiful. And the lake is also shaped like a heart as well. Heart-shaped lake, almost like a heart. So very beautiful. Very beautiful indeed. So the entrance is not the best, as you can see, but it still works fine, if you ask me. And there is even another rocky beach on the other side that can be used as well for a swim. So yeah, that means that we are ready to take a swim in this beautiful sunny day in Stockholm, 24th of July, 24 degrees Celsius in the air and 25 in the water on this beach number 103. Second episode from Säbyträsk. I thought it's because it was so beautiful here, I wanted to show you this once again. So let's embrace and enjoy the beautiful swim in this nudist beach. Let's go! Amazing. Absolutely stunning. So if you are at this beach, you can also then take the bus and continue to Vaxholm and explore Vaxholm, which is one of the most beautiful parts of Stockholm. that is visited by many tourists, and there is even several beaches over there that I have visited last year, so I might be cutting back there another day or maybe later today if the time permits. So yeah, this is what is my beach for today at this beautiful small lake Säbyträsk that is also very warm right now as well. Absolutely amazing. So yes, there are several nudist beaches in Stockholm that I have already shown you on my channel. As I have visited now all of them, I am starting to revisit them once again. Last year I have visited many, and this year also as well, but I am on my beach day 103, so there will be definitely more beach adventures from nudist beaches in Stockholm, so I can show you how it looks like. Amazing. So the water is so nice. I'm gonna be taking a swim after this video all the way to the other side and enjoy this beautiful day. So yes, thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Säbyträsk, this nudist beach in Österåker, Stockholm, and I'm going to see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.